I have a basic project in my desktop. Here it is. The folder is called progress bar, and if I drag and drop this index.html, I have a basic static web page, and just like this. I want to create a GitHub repository and push this project to GitHub. So go to your account and repositories and click on new. Make sure you name this same as this folder name. So click on progress bar and click repository. That's it. So your GitHub repository has been created, and you will find this repository URL here. But if you miss this URL anyways, just put a dot git just after this URL. So that's it. So now go to your text editor or terminal or git bash, whatever you are using. I'm using Windows, but if you are using different Mac or whatever, you can use that. This is the same for everyone. Anyways, and you can open this terminal by clicking here and a new terminal, or alternatively you can use keyboard shortcut Control plus tilde. Tilde lives just before the escape key. Anyways, so now if I check if there is git is installed, one more time, I want to show you. I only have 4 files and folders on this directory, but I'm checking the is if the git is installed. So git status. If you want to take the version, just type a git dash dash version. This will show you version, whatever the version it is. It should be okay anyways. And if you type git status, so it will show you an error just like this, and not a repository or something like that. So our first step should be to create a initiate a git repository. So first command should be git init. This will create a new hidden file in this directory .git that you will see just a moment from now, and it will start to keep track of the changes. So hit enter. So initiated a empty git repository. Now if I go to, normally in your setup, this file might not be visible because it's generally by default hidden on any computer, but I made it visible just to show you. Anyways, and git is installed and git is initiated for this specific repository, and now I want to push this to GitHub repository. But if you are using Bitbucket or GitLab or whatever it is, the process is ultimately same. Anyways, so before we push this progress to GitHub, I have a couple more options. For example, first of all, I have to add this remote URL. That means this is the repository URL, this is the remote URL. I have to add this. So git add origin. But if you have confusion, you can just copy this from here, git remote add origin. You can copy this whole line and paste it here. Anyways, I don't want to type this whole URL, just copy and paste here and hit enter. This will add this remote URL, and now your next command should be stage this all the changes. So git add dash a. This will add stage all these files, and now make a commit, git commit dash m initial commit or something like that. So all these files had been committed and ready to push. So this is the final command, git push origin master. So this might take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the internet speed and the file size. Now if I go to my GitHub repository and refresh this page, I will see that it's no longer empty. So this is the exact files and folders I had in my desktop. So this is how you can create a repository and push it.